Okay, my time bomb says start. All right, we are going to learn angles in geometrical figures. All right, and this time around, it's not only that simple, like four-sided leh. Okay, give me a minute. Good minute. Yeah, yeah. It's Jaden is here. Give me a minute, Jaden. All right. So now not only that, the angles here, they also have overlapping each other. That makes things very complicated. Okay. Hi, hello. All right. I have newcomers here. Let's see who is this. Can I have your name? Yeah, I need to see. I didn't have your name here with me. Oh, okay, okay. I think I see. Can I know how do I pronounce your name? Amia.
Amia.
Amia. Okay, Amia. Welcome. Jaden. Jaden, why black screen, Jaden? Yeah, got black screen, then laughing there. Okay, let me write down black screen. Okay. Mm.
Has no black screen.
Now no, no black screen. Okay. All right, but very black, that bright background. Okay, right, let's start. Okay, so just now I was talking to the rest of them about overlapping angles lah, then folded figures. Okay, this one can be quite challenging because that one really need to, like, how to say, even if you cannot, I think you also need to fold it leh. Quite challenging, okay, but we will try to visualize it because during exam you can't. So that is the problem. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. Okay, I'm going to tell you the steps, all right? But having said that, what I need to do is to tell you that they can have many ways of doing things. Okay, probably, let me see. I'm thinking of doing something. Give me a blank. No, I don't want this. I don't want this. Who wrote this? Oh, so it's you. Okay. I thought I want to erase this thing. Okay, never mind. All right. No worries. Okay, you are now looking at the blank screen. Okay. So first thing first, you must understand what is the condition here. Okay, so this is a square. So PQRS is a square, and you have a rectangle inside, and here is 244. Meaning to say, you must understand that this one is what? 90 degree. And here is also 90 degree, right? 90. Okay. And you have an angle 244. Where is 244? Outside, right? Find PQG. Where's PQG? That means this is the angle they are asking for. Okay, the final one. So first thing first, you know that the whole circle here is 360 degree, right? 360, and you have 244, you have 90. Are you able to find this first? Okay, I want to do this first. I want to find this angle first. How? You have a 207 here as 90 degree, am I right? So basically, if I were to do this, okay, I'm going to draw a whole angle here. Can I say this is reflex angle? I want to introduce you something called reflex angle. Reflex angle means more than 很大, so widely open. That it can have reflex angle equal 360 minus 244, 270, sorry. Sorry, minus 90 first. Okay. The reason is I'm looking for purple one here. Here, the whole thing. So I must use 360 minus the 90, then give me the 270, which is the purple one. So in order to look for the tiny bit here, what must I do? Okay, reflex angle. Let's take a look at PQR. For this one is 270. Now I'm going to look at this tiny one. Okay, I call it the JQP. So angle JQP, it must be 270 degree to minus away 244 given to you, because it is part of it, lor. Okay, so your P can use calculator. Just now was a lower level, they cannot use. So you can use. So we use 26 degree. Very good. Gotten that. Now, Tommy has another way of doing, a shorter way. Can also. All right. No big issues about that. Now, I want to ask you something. If I shift the whole rectangle back, then the whole rectangle back will be like that, right? Correct. Like H, then G here, then P here. Then this will form a rectangle, ma. Am I right to say that? I'm going to change this to highlighter purple here. You see? This one will form one rectangle, then this rectangle is the one that is here, lor. Correct. So can I say that this angle here, okay, the one that I highlighted in yellow, actually can also be equals to this. Wow, that's nice. Thank you. So this angle is actually equal to this angle. They are the same. Okay. So I change it to pen now and give you the last step for this thing called what? P what? PQ, where's PQ? PQG.
QG.
PQG. Okay. So this one is 26. This one must be also 26, right? Correct. So 26 here, 26 here, and I want to find the missing one. Okay, so angle. Now I talk about this first.
By the way, I only now that I noticed, the P that you wrote is actually supposed to be J, not P.
Correct. So this one is Jade. Wow, thank you. Very alert, lad. 哎呀，不愧是我的 timer bomber. Okay, thank you. That's very great of you to do. Yeah, so this one will be HQG is equals to 26. I have a longer way lah. I'm more so long-winded, but never mind. Okay, and now the last thing he's asking the PQ what again? PQG. Then PQG must be 90 degree minus 26, the one that you found. Then 90, 90, 30, 64. Yeah, thank you. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at what is the thing called. Next slide. Yeah, there you see, they find the 3 right angle. That's what they do. Okay, 64. Wow, theirs even shorter leh. Okay, shorter. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, I need to erase this thing. All right. Can? Oh, yes, I need to erase all also. This one also. Thank you. You help me to remind. Okay. Then I erase everything already. Okay. Now, if you really need the help to recap or reread or revisit, these all are recorded. Do you know that these videos are all recorded while we are having lesson? Then
I know.
can,
I literally have 3 other classes using this.
So do you go and rewatch the video now, Tommy?
Sometimes.
You need to, then you go lor. Okay, but best thing is always pay attention in the during lesson. That one is the most precious knowledge. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at next question. This one, I tell you, can I skip this one? We got time, we come back. Because this one, I want to show you the way. Then the thing is, I cannot bend and do flat. So I do it last, okay, if we have time. If don't have time, never mind, okay? We will quickly touch on and then I will upload this. All right. I want to do this. The third one is more interesting. This one. Okay. In the figure not drawn to scale, there are 2 rectangles there.
Why is there a star?
Sorry again?
Why is there a star there on HL?
I thought it's yours.
No, it's not mine.
Oh dear, then who has done this? Okay, oh there, I got magic touch. I got correction tape. Is there correction tape? No, right? Jada, is it you? You give me the story. No, who, I'm curious, but it's okay lah, only one star. The previous lesson, give me starry night, the whole thing turned blue and then all stars. Then I say, oh, I got starry night. Can I sleep? Oh, yo. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Ayo, I don't want this leh. 原来是你啊 I thought I don't want this. I want to delete. Okay, never mind. Leave it. It's cool. Okay, in the diagram, you are with two rectangles, A, B, C, D, and this overlap each other. AJ, where is AJ here? AJ, yeah. Okay, so I want to do the mind map. P takes a lot of underlying, because the information is so much to cover. Where's my ruler? Hey, let's take a look. All right. I use highlighter. Okay, we have this line. Correct. I have this line. I have this line. Highlight beside it. So this is one rectangle that you can see here. Then the thing is you have another rectangle. I put them in green. Here, I have this here. Here. Wow, thank you. Yay, that's nice. Okay, help me with the rectangle.
Actually,
This
no, I have
rectangle.
an even faster way. I just use the box method.
How? Is it at the annotate that function?
Yeah.
Yeah, law.
Done.
Correct, law. Okay. Then the green box. That's great.
Sadly, there's one problem. For green boxes that are slanted, I can't do it. So I have to do
no.
it.
Okay lah. Then I do the green one now. So you see, correct. You got straight line. Can. Now he says they overlap this and this. Okay, so not drawn to scale. Okay.
I already wrote down my answer.
So big. Only one line. Okay. So this one overlap each other. This is parallel. Find angle I. So angle I is something here lah.
It's 74.
Okay, so for this angle I, how can I do is, let's take a look. You have 118 here, right? Actually, in this kind of question, you just find every angle. You know that they are all what? Parallel, right? So you see, parallel line. Let's try. Can you find this angle by using 180? Can, right?
Yeah.
Minus this, right? So you can find this angle.
That's 62.
Wow, so fast. Okay, lor. Okay, I take your answer lah. Whatever you give, I'll take. So this one is 62.
So P is
okay. In fact, this is also 118 leh. If you look at it because of the parallel lines, okay. Now, if you have problem, do stop me. Don't let me continue until the end. Okay, then I finally found out this one. 360. Oh, cannot because it got missing, right? Okay. Now, in the first place, I go and find this angle first. Also came up anywhere I have. Okay. So I find this angle also. This angle is 90 minus 74. That will give you 16.
16.
Okay.
Means I is also 74.
Where?
Means angle I is also 74.
Yeah. 74 at where? Below, next to it here, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Clever. You see? So all this on the left hand side, we don't need to put up first because
I already wrote it down. I already wrote down.
Yeah. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to do.
I couldn't find the angle symbol, so I just used this angle.
Okay. So this is step 1, right?
Can I delete my annotation now?
Yeah, please. Thank you. 谢谢. That's very helpful. Okay, so then I color here. Okay, so then I color. Okay, so what is next now? You have 74 here. Okay, let's take a look. Here is 16. to be
Just to
exact.
do 90 degrees minus 16 degrees becomes 74.
Wait, let me go and check.